I am not going to keep quiet over this, Papa. No one should enter that land for any reason.
Tonto is looking for trouble.
And that he must get. He will get it in 1,000 folds.
Don't worry. Let's get to the house first.
Papa, we need to do something about it, and I mean now, Papa. We need to show him that he entered the wrong land.
Chizoba, I know what to do. I will tell Tonto why they call me Odu. I will show Tonto. My only piece of land.
He goes about selling people's lands in this village and gets away with it because no one does anything. Teach him a lesson, Papa.
It will not happen to me. It will not happen. Who is Tonto? I will teach him a lesson.
Please.
It will not happen.
Every day.
Obinna. Obinna.
Ike.
Don't go there.
Hey. You saw you're running. What's the problem?
Have you heard?
Heard what?
Otunde is back again in the market collecting levies as usual.
But I heard the police are still searching for him. So what is he doing in the market again?
Search again. Otunde is in the market as I am talking to you right now. He is no longer even running away from the police anymore.
But why?
I cannot answer that question. Just get ready because we will pay more than what you have been paying since.
But wait. The Igwe promised that he's going to take care of the situation. But what really happened?
See, my brother, let's tell ourselves the truth. Otondo is unstoppable. That boy is too strong. You can't stop him. You can't. In fact, we can't.
What is really happening in our community? We are no longer safe. Does it mean we should run away from our fatherland because of one man? How much do I make in a day that I will give my fellow human being 1,500 naira every day? Calculate and you will see what I'm talking about. Check my business.
See, we got no choice.
Why did you bring me here?
I don't want to hear any noise.
Ichie Odu, you're welcome to my home.
What is the meaning of this? What did I do to you?
Take it.
Why did you sell my piece of land?
I don't ever want to see you on that piece of land again. If I do, I will come to your house and kill you by myself. Do I make myself clear?
He's talking to you. And if I hear you speak, I will deal with you.
I've heard.
Do you understand?
Check him out of here.
One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name, BP go rise. Now which kind person be this year? Otondo eh. Now which kind wala be this year? Otondo eh.
Give me the wrestler and the ganja. Me I want feel like re. As I know they feel like re before my brother me yo. Me I want jogodo. Hey, streets worry not poor die. Worry yourself. Give me the wrestler and the ganja. Me I want feel like re. As I know they feel like re my brother. Hey, me I want jogodo.
Ugomma, where is your mother?
She and Obama they yarn.
You see?
She dey White House.
White again?
Papa, at least if you don't get sense, make you still wise now. She dey toilet. Share.
Again, no kwa.
You say again? Why you not go again? She know dey here. Stop till they take that. She know dey here. One day she go drink that finish, she go pef.
Who told you that it is the medicine that is the cause of her purging stomach?
You don't know where they pay me. Now you don't know book, now you argue pass. You don't know something, but they follow me to argue. The woman they Obia. Don't come.
No. Now we not drink that thing again.
Yeah.
Oh.
No.
I will not drink that medicine from audio again, no. That medicine wants to kill me.
Reggie, don't say that. It could be the way the medicine is working. You know, it could be that it is purging you, Papa, so that you pass out all the sickness.
You're not gonna make heaven. It clear say, when you dey school, it's either you know the enter class, on her back you dey sit down. Nothing where you know. You don't know anything. This woman want die for you. You see, make it continue. They take the medicine. Eh? Which one you dey? You want make it drink the medicine, Abi? You want kill her?
But who told you that the medicine is the cause of it?
Ah. Okay, Male. Where the medicine? Papa gas purge. He gas drink the medicine. You need to purge.
I think so.
Papa, you purge.
You got to drink
I can't take the medicine because I'm not having running
Papa,
stomach.
you gas take am, oh. You go purge. You gas take am. You purge. You need purge, Papa.
No, I won't take it.
Papa, wele. What is the sup? You go purge. You need purge, Papa. You go purge. Share, Papa. What is they play now?
Virginia. Virginia, warn your daughter.
You go purge.
Come and hold your daughter because
I forgive you.
Idiot. Nonsense.
Okay. Now let's smile. While I know they finish. Though, they alright last.
Where is your father?
Huh?
Where is your father?
You're welcome first. What do you want?
Is your father inside?
Tell me what you want now. What is all this now? Where is your father? Where is your father?
Hey, where is your father? Where is your father? Go and tell him that I'm here to see him right now.
You don't even have respect. Where is your father? Tell him you want to see him right now. What did my father do that you want to see him? What is it?
Oh, your father think I will let him kill my father. Go and call your father right now.
What is going on here? Huh? What is he talking about? No.
My own mother is also dying. She's been stolen since last week. Listen, if anything should happen to my mother, I will show you the stuff I'm made of in this village.
Did you hear that? Go and call your father, you two urchins. Go and call your father. The woman. Okay, say this. Are you stupid?
Hey, where is your father?
Will you say another person?
What do you want?
My brother is dying. The medicine he gave to my brother is about to cost him his life. Where is your father?
Did you hear that? Your father has been selling fake drugs in our village. Go and call your father, else I will slap both of you to your mother.
Okay, say this yes. Emuma.
There is nothing to say. Go and call your father. Your father has been selling fake drugs to our people. Go and call him.
It no concern me. Try and see.
Papa, problem. Big problem. Oh. Hey, Papa, those people out there say that your medicine is causing their people diarrhea. Oh.
Did you tell them that I'm at home?
I didn't tell them. I didn't tell them anything.
Just go out there and tell them that I am not at home. They should come back in the evening and receive their antidote.
Papa, antidote. But you need to come and talk to them. They say they are not going to leave until you come and see them.
So if I was not at home, you won't go to tell them that I'm not at home?
I'm saying...
Yanko, it's a hypothetical statement. It's neither here nor there.
They are increasing in numbers with the same complaint.
There's nothing to be afraid. Nothing to be afraid of. Both of you can just go out there now. Just be man enough, bold enough, and talk to them. Tell them your father is not at home.
No, Papa. We are not man enough again.
So it's now we.
Yes.
No more us. No more ABCs. Now AB.
Papa, please go and address your people. They are not complaining that the medicine you gave to them is a fake medicine. Pikokwa, you know what that means? Papa, go. Go and address your people.
A and B now.
Shankes, this one where you keep face like unwanted pregnancy. What did they happen?
Babe, my heart they born.
My heart not feel born. You get heart where one born. What did happen?
That is that. I want me to follow me go somewhere.
Did they fight there? Where would they go?
Or the Oko's house. That man won't wipe out my entire family.
Wait. Calm down. Take a cheap pill. I don't understand. What happen? As how?
Babe, you know say as I from travel come back, I can't see my family. All of them they take one concussion. Say they cure all the disease where they this war. Say they even cure infection join. They say my follow them take her. I no agree. I no agree because I know they take waiting and no sabi. As I they talk to you now, all my family they won't die. They porch since morning. Daddy, I won't kill them.
Bobby. Shoo. Babe, wait you just maybe the same thing they do my maleso.
Your male?
They porch since morning at White House with a visit.
You mean that?
I they tell you without permission though.
She take the concussion.
Mama. Yeah, I went to the CEO since how many days now? Would they enter White House without permission? If I go have permission, go see president. I they come, just pay me. Mama.
He can't use our family to do experiments. It was time for himself to take about medicine for this place. Babe! Don't come and where will they go?
One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name, BP go rise. Now which kind person be this year? Otondo now which kind wala be this year? Otondo Oye napo, oye kapo.
Go inside the balls. We are here.
I don't taste it till they talk too much. Keep quiet.
I am innocent. I have done nothing. I have done nothing.
Stay close to my ear.
Okoli, you're welcome to my house.
Great Otondo. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I am fine.
Okoli, what's the good news on the air?
Good news, Kwa. I don't understand. What good news?
What did happen now?
I don't know.
I heard you're giving out your daughter's hand in marriage in a few days from now.
Oh, that. Yes. Yes, that's true. My daughter is getting married.
You won't chop alone, Ichi Okoli.
No, Otondo, I have your invitation. I will invite you.
Ichi Okoli. One person they won't pick in.
No. You
won't chop alone.
No. Who born me?
You will die alone. Okay, and you know things say you can't settle us before time.
Settle what?
I don't say you can't settle us.
I don't understand what you mean by settle.
Okay. Abu, give him that list. Make you go through that list very well, yeah? And make all the items available before time.
It's okay. Thank you very much. I will do that.
And how is your daughter?
My daughter? She's very fine.
Okay.
She's fine.
Okay, good. Tell her I want to see her.
You want her to come here?
Ichi Okoli, tell your daughter I want to see her here. I have something to discuss with her.
I will tell her. It's okay. I will do that. Oh, my son. Ukumo. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Take you back and I do.
One person no go let community drinking water. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name, BP go rise. Now which kind of person be this year? Otondo now which kind wala be this year? Otondo Oye Napo, Oye Napo.
That one is a stingy man. He wants to eat alone.
No, say, nah, body get picky. You never know.
Let's drink up, okay? Yeah. Cheers, man. Cheers.
See, you people should calm down. Go and come back later in the evening. When my father comes back, he will address you people.
Will you shut up? Shut up! See, let me tell you, you both cannot deceive us again. Just go inside there and call your father. You cheap liars.
We want to see your father. Can you imagine to come out? We want to see the whole village. Fetch us here.
You dey run. You where? Where you dey run go?
No.
Where your papa?
Papa?
Your cousin.
Hey,
Papa.
see Morocco.
Are you stupid?
Now what time you dey waste?
Papa.
Where your papa?
Papa.
You want make I lose your dada?
Okay, Papa.
Get back here. Come back here.
Where's my papa?
Papa. We don't know.
Their father is this one dada. Come back.
Where do you think you're going?
My daughter, I am so sorry. How much do you want? I am willing to pay.
Look at this old useless fool. How much do I want? After your attempt to wipe out my entire family with your useless herbal medicine, you're asking me how much I want?
I'm sorry, my daughter. We can settle this amicably.
You're the man. You're who wants to settle that one. Ah! You're who can settle.
Eh? How did you pay me this?
Naimo! He didn't try to bribe me, make a letter run.
Usain Bolt, you dey run. You won't try base, Abi. Who you be?
My daughter.
Oga base. Say daughter. Who be your daughter? Who you born? Who you? So guys, you just fool like this. Old man, where you are native. You know if you respect yourself. Now fake about my thing, they say. Now you want to take off.
Like this, we told you they go palace. So, now you guys report there.
I'm sorry.
You see they call daughter. Oga.
You don't know what they do me.
I go slap sense enter your head though. Like this, Oh yeah, move. Very quick.
They go.
Yeah?
Waka when? That's why you take the waka when I catch you here just now.
See old man will not get respect for himself.
They fear.
Monkey will be left. I said, hold on. See, I see the waka. If I say,
they try wrong.
Oga, if I sound you,
They follow play.
fast. So below when you carry head go grow once.
So they won't run.
Yes.
Be they fear, but they try kill my family, Abi.
They
go.
Move,
Babe, brush am all. This man, I don't trust her.
A monkey will be a native.
Otondo's marriage levy. Items. 1. 10 tubers of yam. 2. 5 cartons of beer. 3. 1 bag of rice. 4. 1 bag of Igbo Indian hemp.
Yes, it's there.
Hey.
It has not finished.
5. 10 packets of cigarettes. And there's also cash 25,000. Where did you get this list from?
From Otondo, of course. I'm just coming from his house. He summoned me. That if this item is not complete, my daughter's marriage will not hold.
What does he mean by that?
Marriage levy. Yes. Marriage levy.
Are you serious about this? How can this kind of thing be happening in our community?
Ichiod, if you ask me, I will tell you that Otondo is now the king of this community.
Don't let our Igwe hear this from you.
Which Igwe? Igwe, let me ask you, what has Igwe done to stop Otondo from all his nefarious activities in this village? What has he done? Were we not told that Otondo is being wanted by the police? And he is going around collecting levies here and there? You are telling me of Igwe. Who is deceiving who?
I don't understand what is going on in this community again.
We are talking of marriage levy. There are still other levies.
Other levies what?
Yes, there is burial levy, naming ceremony levy, church levy, and so many other levies involved.
Did you say naming ceremony levy?
That's what I taught you. I heard that your son is planning his son's naming ceremony.
Of course.
Tell him to go and settle Otondo and pay all his levy. That is the situation we found ourselves in this village. If care is not taken, that young man will dethrone the Igwe and take over the throne.
God forbid. God forbid.
You will say that I told you this. Give my list. I'm going.
We are in for a very serious trouble in this village. You know, what kind of a
problem?
Hey! What kind of Otondo is this? Everywhere Otondo. Hey! Otondo kaya na haya zikita. Hey!
I think we made a very big mistake by not following them to the palace. No, Izuogo, we did the right thing by not going with them. Ha! That is what you keep on saying every time. Yeah? What if we have followed them and implicate ourselves? So, Chima, what do we do now? What do we do? Hey, as a matter of fact, there is nothing we can do. I am telling you the truth. All we need to do now is to be vigilant. You know, what these people can decide to come after us. Jesus, Igwe might send them to come and face us. Oh, but no. That one cannot be possible. That one cannot be possible. See, let me tell you. Let us go and lock this house and find a place to hide. Hide. There is problem. Hide. How are we going to know what has become of Papa? Don't worry. That one later. We'll think about that one. Why are you running?
I think I saw some people. Oh, they look like police people.
Wait, they coming here?
I think so.
Hey,
That means we are no longer safe here. Eh? Let's leave here immediately.
To where now?
Anywhere outside here. Let's go. Let's go.
Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same day must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, chowo oduko. Whether na typhoid fever, chowo oduko. Whether na diabetes, yo, chowo oduko. No matter wetin it be, yo, chowo oduko.
Hey! No, now stop there. Where do they carry this man to go? Huh?
Go. Not be human being. They ask questions.
You won't take and go palace. You won't kill my family with him fake drug.
Who made the judge over this man?
This man here is an evil man. He deals on fake drugs which has caused untold health hazard to our people.
Hey, shut up. And who are you to judge this man at the ass?
Benny, calm down. What did they saw? What did they play? Na Spanish they speak. They say this man want kill people. You they say who make us judge? We but they judge the case. Now you go take a miss you.
If I hear fuck come from your mouth again, what's not going to do you here? Eh? You go regret your life. You they hear me? Mr. Duko, they go house.
Huh?
Yes, Otondo. Point of correction. You must address him as the Great Otondo. Great Otondo.
I say make you they go house.
Hey, pa, move, stand there.
Yes, great.
The time when you go, you they turn. One man shave your wife there. See they play. They go where? There they go. I'll try yourself. I'll try and not think that's what you want to see.
If I hear film from your mouth again, you go smell this gun. What's not go do here? Mr. Duko, they go house.
Yes.
And see me for house for evening.
House.
Like say no make your husband enjoy this bobby.
Now be saying that this thing that they feel.
What's all of that?
Come on! Move it! I hear you whisper, I go cost them.
Not beside they fear this way, your dada they respect. And your dada they respect.
Boss! Me with the roll.
Shut up! You when they talk and your voice loud.
Me with the roll. No level.
Chai, babe. My baby, like this, I dey vex. The paras I dey vex, babe. My head, I need somebody to hold my head right now. I dey vex.
Me self, my heart dey bore. Anger won't kill me where I sit down.
No, but baby, look this matter where we got to something. Babe, come on, body, nothing spoil. We got to do something. We don't just sit down like that now.
What do we want to do now? This one way police have the fear.
Police they fear who? Police they fear who? Otondo. Because they carry dada for head. Who tell you say police they fear am? Now just say these villagers now, they don't want put body together and make them see what they go feed you. If the village stand now do something, your lockman go come outside.
Babe, waiting we won't come do now. Waiting come be the plan. Babe. And waiting are the reason as I sit down.
What is going on here? What are you two planning?
Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Mama, right now, we gas collide.
Who's again?
We gas jam. Otondo way they see so that guy they mess up. He dey mess up big time. We need to meet Mama. Mama see Morocco see Spain now. Nah, water separate Morocco and Spain no. That can you let it cross town.
Now, how does what Otondo enter this thing you people are talking now?
Mama, see this the way they talk. It vex me. It vex which levels? All of them for this village, nobody fit just gallant come outside and they fear that man because he played dada. Mama, na dada gang with them. Me sef I carry gaga o. What did they happen? Like this, my girl.
Yeah.
Mama, wait.
Yeah. When I want you, That boy is heartless.
Mama, forget heartless.
Let me say,
Mama, no worry. We go level am. We go humble am. That guy too dey show himself. He don't do.
Oh, Mangiwa. He's so 11.
Yes, Mama. We go humble am down. Now we dey this village.
Okwa utu aira konwebe ozefo. Eh? Are you remaining somewhere?
Mama, he dey reason am abi. No worry. When we cool am, you sef go confirm.
That boy is dangerous, oh. That boy is dangerous. Oh,
Mama, we sef na danger. Na danger we be so.
That was how I gained my freedom.
Otondo asked them to leave you.
Yes.
This is unbelievable. Have you asked yourself why he told Papa to see him in the evening?
My children, I don't feel we are safe here any longer. We are leaving here first thing tomorrow morning.
Papa, where to? Papa, you know we cannot go back to our house in the city again.
Nobody is saying anything about going back to the city. We can go to my maternal home. Accommodation is not a problem there.
Papa, I'm not going there with you. Papa, no. Why must we follow you to your maternal home? Papa, we can change our location in the city. You know, find ourselves a room self-con. You know, that will be good for all of us. Yes.
Are you boys out of your mind? Have you gone insane? Where will you get the money to pay for the rent?
Papa, we have money. Bam. Don't even tell us that there is no money here. Bam. Make a quick hint. Yes. In fact, as a matter of fact, Papa, you see that maternal home, count me out. I am not going there with you. I am not going there with you, Papa.
Even me too.
I'm not going there.
Come back here. Where are you going?
Papa.
Eh? Chima.
Papa. Chima, I've said it all. It's okay, man.
Is you? Sit down. What is wrong with these children?
What have I done to these stubborn children? Are they mocking me or what?
Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same they must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do.
The DPO really want to know why I called off the arrest on Otondo. I couldn't have told him nothing else. I saw the devil in that young man's eyes. I knew he meant his threat on my life. I knew it. I knew it.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
What is it?
The elders are here. They say they want to see you.
Tell them I don't want to see anyone. I am not in the mood.
Okay, Igwe.
What else are they here for? If not for the same bothering issue of Otondo. I don't want to jeopardize my life.
What are you really saying?
What do you have me say? Like,
Ochiodo, I have a feeling that the king is avoiding us.
Why are you saying so?
Didn't you hear the excuse the guard gave? It is obvious he does not want to see us, or he knew the reason we were in the palace.
Are you saying that the king is shying away from Otondo's case?
Do you need to be told? Huh?
Otondo no dey fear anybody. Na only God go fit deliver us. Otondo get it.
I suspect they are heading to the palace.
Are you sure he did not get the information about our visit?
No, I don't think so. But I think there's something our Igwe is not telling us.
I think you are right, oh. You are right. Let's go.
Otondo no dey fear anybody. Otondo take a missing life na jeje. No be anybody wey Otondo see, na him dey respect. Otondo nobody be anything for Otondo eyes, yeah. Otondo no see himself like God, yeah.
Nice to see you again.
What exactly do you want?
Where are those elders that came to visit you?
I asked them to leave.
Why?
I was not in the mood to see anyone.
Igwe, you're a very smart man. You're a very sharp guy. You knew why they were here. You never wanted them to know. You stand on my case.
What exactly are you talking about? Do you think I am happy with you?
Igwe, I know you're not happy with me, but you have no option. Do you know why? Otondo is a very heartless guy. Otondo, and what a joy. I always make good my threat. And do you know what? When next they come visit, be bold enough to tell them not to bother themselves about me. And what a joy. Igwe, you have a nice day.
If you hear Otondo name, your heart it go fly. If you hear Otondo name, BP go rise. Now which kind person be this year? Otondo eh. Now which kind wala be this year? Otondo eh. Oye napo, oye kapo. Otondo eh. Oye napo, oye kapo. Otondo eh.
I hope you and your brother are ready.
No, we are not ready. Oh. We are not ready yet.
Why? Listen, I am leaving this village. You people are the reason I did not live here yesterday.
Papa, you have visitors.
Visitors?
Yeah.
Who are they?
Papa, I've never seen them before, and there are 3 men.
3 men?
Yeah.
And you don't know why they are here?
I don't know.
Courtesy demands that you should have found out why they are here before coming to me. You and your brother better get ready because I'm leaving here in few minutes.
Papa? Mbakwao, you need to go and see your visitors. So you need to go.
Oduko and sons, Abba mixtures. The same they must make a move.
Where is Papa? He's coming. I'm suspecting these men. These men are not from this village. It's true. Yes. You're on point. They are not from this village.
Mr. Man, what is keeping your father?
Huh?
I asked, what is keeping your father? You're saying,
He's coming. Don't you see here when I said but didn't you hear when he said he's coming?
Mr. Doko.
Miss Susan, is this you?
We meet again. I hope you're surprised.
Let's go inside and talk.
That's not why I'm here. Officers, This is Mr. Odioko.
Miss Susan, we can go inside, and talk it over.
He is the herbalist that killed my brother with his fake medicine.
Yeah?
Arrest him.
Mr. Odioko, you are under arrest for the murder of Chika, Mr. Oso's brother. You have the right to remain silent. For anything you do or say here and now shall be used against you in the court of law.
It has not gotten to that. We can go inside and settle this and talk it over.
You are heartless. You are very, very heartless. You killed my brother and ran away from the city. You cannot run forever. No, you can't. Officers, arrest him together with his children.
Huh? What did we do now?
I want to hear a word from you. Move them. Now, move it.
Huh?
I said move.
Officer, we have not been to the city before.
I said move it.
I'm my father.
Move it.
Wait. Hey, Papa. Papa, take me and Aka, Papa. Hey!
Move it.
Hey, Papa. Papa, take me.
Now move it.
Papa, come on. Papa, move it. I was not. Move it. We have never been in the city before. Are you in the city? No, now. I was born in the village. Hey.
Hey, Papa Nkechi. Oh. Nai, where are you? Nah. Hey. Pharmacy can see. My problem is over. But that is not why I am happy. Nai, Odioko has been arrested.
Thank God. Let's see how Otondo will save him again.
According to stories, though, that one man he killed his brother in the city traced him down to his village and got him arrested.
Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Nothing.
Somebody must have given out information.
Hey!
Very good.
Hey, well, where is Ugoma?
I have not seen her since we left for the pharmacy.
I know she will be very happy. Makinya Basalo Odioko has been giving her sleepless nights.
Yes, you let her know.
Hey! Let me go and rest. Hey!
Hi! Our youth surprised me today. And I truly appreciate them for honoring this meeting Ugoma and I summoned. Given the way everyone fears Otondo in this village, I wasn't sure we would see even one person at that meeting. But you people came out. Hey!
Chizoba, I appreciate all your efforts. And I'm also happy for the decision we took today to go to the palace for the protest. I appreciate you very well. You did very good.
Going to the palace will not solve this issue. Some persons have been there before, but the Igwe did not do anything about it. So I think we should take this matter to the area command.
The idea of going to the police is good, but we cannot go there alone. We have elders in this community and we should involve them. If not, they won't take us seriously.
I think that is a nice idea.
Right?
Yes, that's a nice idea.
That's true.
And we will not only involve our elders, but also the entire community. It is time to say enough is enough. We shall all march to the palace. From there to the police station.
Good.
I like this idea. Enough is enough. He will hear from us in this village. Because of one person. The whole village is under tension.
Can you imagine?
I like this spirit. Thank you people for coming out. You did well. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. I'll see you. All right. Take care. Bye-bye. Yes, I will. Take care.
Mama's Haba.
Amugoma. I was very happy when I heard that Odioko and his family were arrested.
There's no way he will not pay for every evil he did against our people.
Yes, sir. Our people have to write a petition against him. He has to face the law. Mamugoma. It's not all.
Okay.
There is something I'm about to tell you. Please don't say no.
Okay, what is it?
Our women, we are gathering to fight Otondo. We must fight Otondo. Please, we are up to 30 women. I hope you will be there with us.
Also 30? Why you need no budanya?
30.
So 30?
Anye Bukano.
It's
okay.
Oh Maka.
Didn't your daughter tell you that the youths have also gathered?
Hey, Omaka.
Don't forget the protest tomorrow. Don't forget it.
Do not tell anybody you met me. Only count me out. Oh? As for the protest, Jisunike.
Mamu Ugomma.
Chuku ya bonume.
You can't you act? No, nah. You are among the women now.
I'm not a woman. I've told you this thing before.
You're no longer a woman.
In this case, I'm not a woman. Just Jebe Aburojo. Let me just go and cook for my husband. Kangaba?
You are no longer a woman.
Now this case, one them, I'm not a woman.
All the girls today for trouble, another wahala. One person in community drinking. If you hear Otondo name, your heart go fly. If you hear Otondo name,
my friend, hold out in well now. Hold out in very well.
now which kind person be this year? Otondo now which kind wala be this year? Otondo Oye napo, oye kapo. Otondo oye napo, oye.
I go light on. Boss. What in they happen? What in they pursue you?
Boss.
My friend, calm down and talk to me. What in they worry? What in they worry?
Right.
Boss. The whole villagers are setting protests, and they are more than 100 in number.
What are they protesting for? What in the shell?
I don't know. I only heard them say enough is enough. Enough is enough. They are going to the palace.
So now why do you worry yourself, eh? See, I'm not bothered of anything. They can march to anywhere they want to.
Boss, I think we should find out exactly what is happening. For the villagers to stage such a protest, I think something will come out of it.
Agu, I said I am not bothered of anything. Whether protest or not, if Igbo tries such with me, heads will roll. You see Adam and his community. Do you understand?
Yes, boss.
Ago. We waiting, Mama. I see this afternoon. It never happened for this village before. We need to find out waiting the happen and shine our eye.
How do we go about that when boss is not ready?
See, you go stay here. Okay. Make follow them and know where they pass to know where waiting they happen. If Bobos ask of me, tell us I go house, go bring something. You feed tell us I go bring weed.
It's alright.
Have you seen what I used to tell you? Whether it's a boy or a girl, that all of them are children.
Are children, my
you
brother.
See that Lando's daughter is the savior we have in this village today.
My dear, my brother, that young lady really impressed me. Hey, do you know that she'll be meeting with our youth? Long before the meeting we had this morning that led to the protest march to the palace and the police station.
You don't mean this?
Yes!
Have you seen that the Igwe is the problem we have in this village? Why did he stop the DPO from arresting Otondo?
The Igwe is afraid. He is simply afraid. Otondo might have threatened him. Yes.
And he's the Igwe and he's afraid. Well, let us wait and see the result today's protest will yield.
It is going to yield a positive result. I am sure of that.
You are sure?
Yes.
Unless the Igwe will not disappoint us again.
Well, you are right. But I believe the DPO will follow you through.
As we were saying, the marriage will be
very
very strong. Very nice.
Yes.
Chief, what is going on here? I noticed that immediately you people saw me, you stopped talking. What are you discussing?
We are discussing about my daughter's upcoming traditional marriage ceremony. Yes.
Were you not among the protesters today?
Protesters? Where?
What was the reason for the protest? Tell me now, before I tell my boss that Bobo, both of you are conspiring against him.
Young man, Okoli has told you what we are discussing. I don't know what else you want to do.
Don't shout at me. Have you forgotten that we own this land? Don't worry. I will tell my boss about the two of you, and you will get a message very soon. I mean very, very soon.
Don't worry, very soon we know who owns this land. Allow him that. Allow them. We know who owns this land very soon. Let's go, let's go.
So that's it.
Igwe, you've never called me like this before. Why the urgent call?
Just calm down. I just want us to have a brief talk.
A brief talk about what? What's going on?
I won't take much of your time, trust me. It's a kind of an urgent discussion and it's going to be private, okay?
There was a protest this afternoon. What was the motive? I believe they came here.
Well, that is not the reason I summoned you here. There were some group of people that came to the palace earlier today, but I asked my guards to send them away. Honestly, I want us to discuss a confidential matter. Okay? That is the reason I asked you to come.
Igwe, I know you're not lying to me. Because if I find out that you're lying to me, I will not take it lightly with you.
Otondo, you should know me by now that I cannot lie. That is why I am the Igwe of this community. Please, can you ask your boys to wait for us inside? There's something I want to show you, just this way.
Okay. Boys?
Boss.
Please, excuse us. Be inside.
Boss, are you okay?
I'm good.
Oh, good. This way. Like I said, it's a benefit. something that will suit you and it will suit me.
Put your gun down. For the last time I said, put the gun down or I'll blow your heads off.
Igwe, what is this? What is the meaning of this?
Bastard.
I want you to realize that I am your king. I am the king of this community. Bring the boys. You don't know who I am.
Didi, wait, Tonto. Keep quiet and move it there. Move it. Move, my friend.
Who asked you to kneel down?
Ale, nobody tell me to kneel down. My mind tell me say make I come beg una. I beg, no una no vex. I know say I don't cause too many trouble for una. Pale, I don't change. Mom, see, I don't change. See all those bad behavior when I get before. It don't off. I beg.
Change?
Mom, see, I say I don't change. See me now. I'm not sober. I don't even change my handkerchief. I know they carry the pink one again. I change it to a small one. Me, you know, say the problem now is small. I don't change. As I talk to myself, I want to go back to worry.
You?
Eh?
You want to go back to worry?
Mom, see, at the PTI junction, as me and you they talk now. Yes, but just for me to take by, go reach Stankechi house.
We have forgiven you.
Eh?
It's so good.
You poor. Forget. You too poor. Ah, fine and wish.
Ogumma, stand up. We have forgiven you. You see, we are so happy with you.
Papa, nothing go make this your baby white pass so. You too much.
The entire community, they are happy with you. Because you've liberated us from the grip of Otondo and his gang.
Nothing will go make this your baby white pass so. See this your baby. Enough you white pass so, male. Right? Sorry. I'm very sober. Very, very sober. I have changed. In fact, I'm going to worry. I'm going to worry. 3 months. You too much. Male, right now today see me swear. I don't come up from Morocco. I did Spain. I know you scared no mom see. Now flight. Stay mad. Mom see, my guy. Mom see. Forget that. Man, go prepare. I need to go back to work.
Agwọtasị onye ala ọ da-akwụsị ntamu.
Ọ na-egbukwu n'iko. Ọ ka fọ.
Oduko, hey, Oduko and Sons, Abba mixtures. The same day must make a move, no be small matter. From city to villa, guy man no do. Whether na malaria, chowo Oduko. Whether na typhoid fever, chowo Oduko. Whether na diabetes, yo, chowo Oduko. No matter wetin e be, yo, chowo Oduko. Not to make am na my home, I no know for you. If you take my medicine, just give me money. Whether it cure, it no cure, it no concern me. Ogumubu unigwe, try am